Yes, miss. Your voice is
Then your
coming.
voice is coming.
Okay, okay, okay. I got the message. Now, children,
None coming.
if the condition that we have given, that is if n is greater than 0, if this will not be true, then what will happen? For that we have to give else, else, we have to give else command. Else we will get another result, we will have another result, false result. If the statement get false, then we can write print. We can show the result, that is print. What result with that will show? We will write in inverted comma, the number is negative. Okay, the number is negative. Okay, so this is the complete program, but we have to close end, okay, by using end if. Okay, now after that we have to run the program. So here run is there, and we can press shift plus F5 to run this program, or we can go to run and click. So as we go to run and click start, syntax, it is showing syntax error, you can see. So okay, print. So I have written wrong spelling here. So int. Okay, so I have got. Now let's run it. Run. So here it is asking the number. Okay, enter the number. So this we have typed. You might have you notice that whatever we will type in the inverted comma, it will appear as it is. Okay, so here it is asking the number because we have taken input. Okay, we have taken two command here. One is input and another one is print. Okay, input means to ask the value, that's why it is waiting for the value. Okay, so as I will type the value, that is -4. Okay, so it will give the answer. The number is negative. The number is negative. Okay, understand? So I'll press again enter to come back to the program. Now again, if you want, yes.
Ma'am, if we will write only +6, the answer will
No,
be
no need to write
positive.
+6. Only you just write 6. Okay. So it will show the
Okay, ma'am.
number is positive because
Okay,
that
ma'am.
is greater than 0. The condition that you have
Yes,
given
ma'am.
is the number must be, or the variable must be, the variable that we have taken, that is n, must be greater than 0. If it is greater than
Okay, ma'am.
0, then it will give the result, it is positive. If you give the if you give minus value, means it will, this condition will not be followed, then it follow the else statement. Okay, so if condition,
Okay, ma'am.
if command has two state, on condition it has two state. One, if condition is true, then first statement will be print as a result. If condition will not be true or will not be follow, then it will print the second result. Is it clear? Is it clear
Yes,
to
ma'am.
everyone? Now
Yes,
let,
ma'am.
okay,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
Clear,
here,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
here,
Yes, ma'am. Clear. Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
okay. Now on page number 36, you will see that here first command that is given is go to command. Okay, go to command help to jumps for long jumping, means if there is a what we can say program, in that you want the difference of between the numbers, long difference between the numbers. Okay, so for go to command you can give. Okay, or if you want to repeat a condition numbers time. So for that loop is there, but go to command is help to take you to the line that you want to repeat again. Okay, if you are having 3 or 4 lines, okay, and after a certain condition or certain position, you want to run a line that is on fourth statement. Okay, so this go to command helps. It will not uh, what we can say, it will not run the line that is on 1 2 3, but it will directly run the line that is at 4. It will start running the line or giving the result of the line 4, because we have used go to command. Okay, is it clear? Now we will use go to in the
Ma'am.
program afterward. Now let's go to the this next topic, that is loop. Looping means repeating of statement or repeating of action. Okay, so in simple word we can say action replay. Okay, the action that will be repeating a number of times. Okay, that is called loop. Okay, so looping program is also very important. So sometime you have seen the pattern draw. Okay, which type of pattern draw? The square, if you want to draw the square number of time. Okay, so for that type of picture you can use loop. If you want to draw star, let me show you. Let me show you star like this, that is given, maybe given here in the book. Yeah, page number 46. See, the stars are given or the numbers are written. Okay, or if you want to write the name number, this table of 2. Okay, so here a single command is repeating, single statement is repeating, but the value is increases one by one. Okay, by running each statement number of time. Okay, so for that type of program we use loop. Okay, so here loop includes, let me save it. Okay, now here loop includes 1 2 3 4 5 statement. You can see for next, do loop, while, when, or do until loop, and do loop until. Okay, in do loop there are category. A is do while loop and do loop while. Okay, so about this all we will learn. Okay, now here in the book you can see loop is created in a program for performing respective job. Loop limit a group statement to be executed repeatedly until a certain condition is fulfilled. Means we give the condition that the value will, or the variable must be reached up to 10. Okay, so according to the condition the loop will run, the statement will execute that number of time. So 10 times for 2 table we need to multiply the 2 with the number. Okay, until the number get 10. Okay, so like this we can use loop. Okay, now let's use first one, that is for next loop. For next loop, what you have to use, you must follow the syntax that is given on page number 37. Syntax for next loop is, for I you have to take a variable that is I, that is initial value. Okay, for I you have to take initial value to find